In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Squarespace. Whether you're running an international business or you've simply relocated, adjusting your store's currency settings on Squarespace is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Let's dive right into it. First, ensure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in and on your Squarespace homepage, your journey begins by navigating to the Settings menu. On Squarespace, the Settings menu is like the command center for anything you need to adjust or configure on your site. Next, within your settings, there's an option labeled Selling. The Selling section is specifically designed to handle all store-related configurations. This is where you manage your products, options related to checkout, and importantly, your store's payment settings, which is what we are focusing on today. Now, within the Selling section, click on Payments. This is a crucial step because payments control various aspects of your store's transactional setups, including the currency in which your customers will transact. So, it's important to ensure everything in this section aligns with your business needs. Under the Payments section, find and click on Store Currency. Go ahead and press it. Here you'll see that Squarespace supports multiple currencies based on your business location and customer base. It's significant because presenting your products in the correct currency can help avoid any customer confusion and ensure smoother transactions. Once you've selected Store Currency, you'll be directed to a list where several currency options are available. This is where you can choose which currency you want your store to display. Take your time to scroll through and select the one that's right for you. It's an essential decision and will likely depend on where the majority of your customers are located. After choosing your desired currency, don't forget the last important step, hitting the Save button. It's crucial to make sure all your changes are successfully updated. Forgetting to save could mean all your careful adjustments remain unrecorded and you'd have to go through the entire process again. Now, everything's set. You've successfully changed the currency and can rest assured that your store is now displaying prices in the currency that best fits your business needs. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and following along today. Remember to regularly check your store settings to ensure everything runs smoothly as your business evolves. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps or reach out if you need any more help with Squarespace configurations.